Welcome to the ultimate invoice and client manager for Notion. This template is designed to help freelancers and small business owners streamline their entire workflow, from onboarding new clients to tracking every dollar earned. Let's dive into how it works. The main dashboard gives you a high-level view of your business. Here, you'll find quick action buttons to create new records instantly, followed by your active clients, current projects, and an overview of your invoices. In the client section, you can toggle between active clients for a clean view of your current roster, or manage clients to see a detailed database including email addresses and linked projects. Each client card shows their current project and their most recent invoice number for easy reference. The Projects section offers multiple views to suit your style. Use the Status Board to move projects through your pipeline, or the Timeline view to visualize your deadlines and workload across the month. On the left sidebar, you'll find dedicated databases. The client database includes a client directory and an outstanding invoices view, so you never lose track of who owes you a payment. The projects database allows you to group tasks by client or status. This ensures that no matter how many projects you have running, your data remains organized and searchable. The Invoices database is the heart of your financial tracking. You can view all invoices, filter by overdue to follow up on late payments, or group them by month to track your monthly recurring revenue. Adding a new client is seamless. Simply click New Client, enter their company name, like Acme Company, and add their contact email. You can instantly see their status as active and link them to future projects. Finally, billing is just a click away. Select New Invoice, set the due date, and enter the amount. You can link it directly to the specific project and client. The system automatically tracks the status, from draft to paid, and even alerts you when a payment is due soon. Stop chasing emails and start scaling your business with a system that works as hard as you do. Get the Invoice and Client Manager today and take control of your professional workspace.